skip sa video we na menchira send menya 220 Ghana cedis ewo TikTok in 3 days. Me say me chira send menya 220 Ghana cedis ewo TikTok in 3 days. Entino bomodin so be share video we na matchro. Okay, how we make it 220 Ghana cedis ewo TikTok eso na also wait me edi a generate money every TikTok. Okay, dear obey nyina ne say call Google Play Store and I say wo App Store na download the TikTok if at all phone so. And I say wo you be a TikTok videos make sure send we make it amount. And I say I think so and I will create a TikTok account na also bet me e make it amount. Okay, say when your TikTok no at ho ewie dia. Any dear I was say o ye ne say wo be call sa website we say so. cedisroom.com cedisroom.com and share video description I say me the link be at ho obetimi e de akọ site ne so and I say obekọ site ne so direct cedisroom.com na ansana ye be sign up e wo cedisroom no de me pese wo share ne so ne say oba website ne so a make sure say obekenkan wonom privacy policy no e na FAQs no make sure say obe read it through. Okay, inti say oba about us na wako FAQs no na we read inti questions amount we be say about sa website eno na ma package ni nyina e de ato say e de amount cedisroom eye baby a eboa ema obiara no etumi make money online with an investment of 30 Ghana cedis. And say we invested 30 Ghana cedis ewo cedisroom nipa bia oba refer ni bia no ubenya 20 Ghana cedis edi e free ehonomo. Okay, enti shanenso na eno na me be try sane wo de TikTok ebetimi e generate sa referrals no wo de TikTok ebenya nkrofo a wono be sign up through your affiliate link na say wo username no na also with me edi ameki 20 Ghana cedis each. Enti say wo hwe me dashboard ne so a menya 11 referrals. Okay, enti 11 multiplied by 20 ena ebema sa amount we say 220 Ghana cedis. Me main balance no eye 228.50 pesos. The enti a ema na yes and say wo register account ne foforo bia na website no ebe dasho 5 cedis. Ena say wo comment news bia so ubenya 10 pesos. Okay, and a news na oba comment no I was say a news a current and news a trim inti I was say news within the 24 hours na mo de to ho no na wa comment and I was say featured news in so comment ya na wonya 10 pesos no inti no na me comment ya me nya bi ka ho a me sika na timi ekodu sa amount no and I say we login in de bia so a obenya 10 pesos e de aka osika ho. Okay, it is sika we 228.50 no metimi a withdraw ni nyina as we speak. Ebusia sign up with our website we say na ebebo bebre send me did 3 days it me make it 220 no onso obetimi ayenesa na emomo no bomodin say wo sign up obe use me referral link na say me username no eye roadtowealth na what they are signing up akunya sikani bi. Make sure all the strategies are me mount here ewa TikTok boa me no na won so to me I the same thing ansana obetimi I withdraw sike bia no I was some minimum amount when in ewa website ne so no up to 50 Ghana cedis ansana wait me I withdraw edi e free ha say afei site we say etua eka weekends bia entinye de bia eno betimi I requested for payment so requested for payment krana weekends ena wono be send sika no edi amatin say Sunday and amodi payment and Sunday no one be send you be a make request bia esika edi akomana very genuine and lucrative eboa nipa bebre meka hom sisi no some balance amount here wo me account ni mu no metumi a withdraw no sisi as we speak na weekends ni do a wonom edi asend me intino also try say be register to this website cedisroom.com na what they aye adwuma 20 Ghana cedis per referral there pa so when you 20 referrals over 400 Ghana cedis for free. Okay, signing up this year na young kind. Okay, into the one kasa oba the ready privacy policy ni mu ansa na wa make you payment no ma mention registration process na ansa na ya to aso obemia ha say register after say we go through privacy policy no na waba register oba register or say referee username no me pa chaw ho no na odi me username ahye ho road to what way road to what. Okay, now what the asha say or say optional no say all the username ni she ho one fan she ho ubet me as sign up successfully but dia wo so kai ne say impenifo say wa ma onyonko entwa nkwa unso untwendu nya opese wonu ayema wo no unso yes ama no enti se unso pese nkrofo AUC o referral username na odinya profit a na odinya commissioner adenti na unso unyusi obi a refer wo no username na unso onipa no nso emfenya sa commission no okay inti me hu hia se obaye because unso hia se obi be ya ma wo adenti na wo no onye mfam obi nya opese obi ya ma wo me de no eye road to wealth manye nipa bone for Ghana for South Sudan we mu pa say ye ya ye nua no benye sika no nipa no benye sika nti no onye etrimoden ene I don't know sa ho ya o se den enti se umia register ne so a e de obekọ next page e ho so information a ehia no na wa fill na wa click on buy a voucher now no okay voucher code and as buy a voucher now umia so a e be redirect e de wakọ WhatsApp na wato voucher code na e de a free agent ne ho e honom e na wobetia 30 Ghana cedis no wotia 30 Ghana cedis na nipa no be make sure say obeget your account no verified na we fi asese onso obe refer crofo edi ameki money online enti no say o register wie na ya confirm your pepepe edia say na onso be hu dashboard no say na dashboard ne be but I think say aha no 5 cedis na o balance no ebe because of the bonus no either 5 cedis 10 pesos when you login bonus so 10 pesos dey aka hom ahem sana be na omamo referral link any enti sa link we no the send crofo nti umi akopy ne so a na copy am ma me paste in a new tab na me hwese ne ebe bie no nti se nipa no emia so a edne beko registration platform no so direct no otimi akọ register e ho no wo username no anase ombeka che wo say nipa no was referred by wo username na che say no ayetia e de ma nipa no okay but bia na nipa no pese okwa website ne so back na oko read more about the site before say wa register and also between akọ back and username ne say wo register one kasa and obe type username no edi ahye ho e wo registration process ni mo enti ye referral link ha say o pese wo share referral link no WhatsApp on so a any wetimi asende akọ WhatsApp we wo mia WhatsApp ne so a e be redirect o e do akọ WhatsApp no asende amobi e wo WhatsApp and no ye ba be hwese ne ye use TikTok e di generate sa sika we ana ase de e brosa me pa chop say uyo obi a uye TikTok videos a me pa chop stop gina sisi a nya hwe sa video we ne ko use ko implement ne fenye sika wo TikTok me di kan aka say download TikTok or download we are one first thing obey any say would be din kan set unim ni app me no me say menya road to wealth 1 na ka me road to wealth and amenya obetimi so follow me e wo TikTok me the link no to video description na sente sadia okwa TikTok na wa search for road to wealth na onima bedi ensawaso enti bio no ho umia bio ni so a na watch up rebi ede afa ho say eye website we nko na pese odi djuma so o de wo affiliate link no be ba beto wo website no o bio na senti which I can say bia if you want to make money online kindly click on this link now the affiliate link no abeto honomo okay enti se wo bia fi asese obe make videos ya TikTok videos kasafa sene obetumi a make money ho either say obe ne live on the TikTok app ne so and I say obe record it na fe o upload it at say me create TikTok account na ncheye e na me de make sika we say e wo ahase no me di enya sika e wo baby foforo so enti no wo de use sa strategy we say na fa ye say onnya sika na TikTok delete me video ne ba kon esan se mo say emiti on privacy policy guidelines no enti say oya make sure say ube read it into omo privacy no okay enti say oba sa 3 lines na was say na I go through na akọ one privacy guideline any community guideline okay na we read it the obetumi aye and dey wuntumi enye e wo TikTok no na we read it but as we speak no creative video chere bibi say obi betumi a make money online okay nti oya ne say we are no wa upload e de ato TikTok say upload we are say na ebeye okay the meme ya ne say aya atoda me twere some test bi e de to esro ho nti bamia we ne so test ne so na ma twere say bia make 220 cedis on TikTok in 3 days okay say so I'm sure done na obetimi adrage akosoro abeto ase so owia obetimi so atwere foforo eja to ase ha open so jai okay owia no akọ next na afi watch description no ato ho say ebia make 220 220 cedis on TikTok in 3 days. Inti hashtag no which me afa hashtag bi ade ohwa enkrofo be search about, okay? Inti maybe make money online, make money online. Ubet me so afa nipa popular bi a TikTok edin, okay? Inti wetun aba at na so adamfo bi a TikTok no na nipa bi o follow no na wa select ni din no, okay? Ebetun abo ma nipa no ni followers no ehunu de opese wo ye we no. Okay, say all the hashtag in French tag in eba na umia post no eba koto TikTok. O de ma ho some minutes bi won say enkrofo be start say wonom hwe videos no abisa questions any ade na otimi edi make money online. Yen consistent TikTok ma kwan say obetimi upload 3 minutes video. Ti say video no more than 3 minutes a chichem. Say wo obi a wo TikTok dida. Oh, you're popular. Ewa TikTok. Uwo followers. Ewa TikTok. Mesre. Memfa TikTok ni ndi agro keke. Enfe ndi agro mfanye fun things na yon kwa keke. Fenye sika o. Fashushe sika. Ewa hasei. Kambibi kakra efa de mene woken hon register successfully. Na efi asese. Wone nkrofo bedi enkomo afa hon. O followers no. Wode se uyo video biye wia. O sawase bi wie. Uyo fun thing bi wia. Can say we make money through this strategy. And I say through this website. Intino followers no. En son try say. Ome register no so making money online. What they can videos in him say enya particular video bi na wo ye na wo kan wo mukra na e wo mu a ne wa shada aye special video bi na waka ho asam say amanfo en use sa strategy we enfa make money online. Now wo the username username and as a referral link na momo no mo so akoko sign up no onye sika wo followers be brave but you're not making any money on TikTok. A free na ko implement it never make money on TikTok or register kai say wo be you see me referral link no and say me username a roadtowealth na efa register na wonso enye sika ewo TikTok. Me do see say I am a yenhia ewo videos na edi enimnimu baako.